Dear Miss Lou, how you do? Me day I give thanks for life and every blessing, whether big or small. Boy, Miss Lou, me miss you. Me miss you bad. But me grateful for the remembrances and for one in particular. Now look here, old age is a serious thing because I can remember when it was I did get the gift and blessing of working with you and being the stage manager for the performance you did do at Liquor Theatre after you migrate to foreign. Proper foreign too, Canada. You remember? You did come back after a period of time. No, Miss Lou, this not unquote. Me can't remember when. And which bush them say good for memory? Rosemary, don't it? Now I got either ask somebody or do some research to get this certain date. But Miss Lou, what a blessing it was for me as a young man in them time there. And me did still licking in a body too. To work with you and draw a long bench with you. Remember how you used to see people. Me don't mean see like just through your eye them at work. You did sit all the way. You look in our face direct. When time you talk to me, it did come in like nobody else was in the world. Up to today, me still tell people that in the little time I spend with you, you're not only going to teach me what it means to be a bono nonos performer and a linguist. You hear that big university what? And a lover of the Jamaican language. But you teach me about being a good smarty, a decent human being. The grace, love and respect what you show me will never forget. And Lord, Miss Lou, your laugh. Your laugh was full of joy. It was like chocolate tea with cinnamon. It come in like sunshine. And you laugh from your belly bottom and it rise and fill the room. Would I love to hear your bust a big belly laugh right now. Remember when you talked to me about how you used to hold my hand and squeeze it? You remember when we did their body pool at house for the dinner party? In your honor, and you sit down side of me and you tell me the story about how you come up with menticus. About the doctor, it was German or Greek. You can't remember. The rosemary, well needed Miss Lou. You said it hurt up your foot. And him say, Madam, you have damaged your meniscus. But you say it never sounds alright or roll off of your tongue comfortable. So you change it to menticus and talk about it in your story them up on stage. You remember that performance at Liquor Theatre? You did tired, but you say, Fabian, me have to push through and do my part. And that me there for. Tired or not tired. Later in the night, one whole heap away, bungle up in the wings of people on stage for you and Miss Lice. Boy, what a piece of niceness. Uno act out one scene from Queen's daughter. Let me tell you something. Me can never pay for the gift of that experience, you know, Miss Lou. Uno timing. The way uno say no line them, the way uno use the language them, the Patwa and the English, it did sweet. Remember when you remind her, say, the two of uno come from Bolo Lane, and Miss Lice say, I don't so, I Uncle M, and talk about her clients. Me did not watch you know, and me wish me was around in your pantomime here there to see you do your thing with Master Ran and them other one. Even without the Rosemary, I remember when we did talk about some of the new play and performance where you go watch while they was here. You say some of them did nice, but some of them was so booyagary. Me nearly dead. Why, Miss Lou? Me not telling a lie, it grieved me. So after all that what you do, we still disrespect people who talk Patwa in Jamaica, you know. Some of them jump on the bandwagon now with 100 Miss Lou excitement. Between me and you, when the celebration done, then we go back to no pay Patwa no mind, and I said, don't people talk the Jamaican language. Make them go, them bright and out of order. Miss Lou, we will never forget you. Miss sorry say I have to move away, you know, go foreign. Me wish we were able, or did think it was important enough to keep you here, look after you and treat you with love and respect, and see you as the royalty right here in your own country. Remember when you came with you up at the house at Garden Town? We went to get some things and you gave me a little tour. Me did fall in love with the house. It did full of love and culture like you. Miss Lou, a pure love me have for you. Bands of respect. I will never forget you, Miss Lou. And the short time I did work with you, me grateful so till. Me gone for now. Walk good, Miss Lou. Walk good. Enough love, Fabian.